Welcome again to Tecnologías. In this video, I am going to show you how you can match in Tinder free. The first thing we are going to do is go to the Tinder application. Okay, select Tinder here, and we can see that the pro life is now to be able to talk to someone. You must make a match, okay? You must like the people that you're interested in by giving them a super like, dislike, or like, and you select. And once you like a person and the person likes you, we will be nice, and here we can look for a match. Okay, the match is here, and we touch the person and we can talk to him, her directly. Okay, it's very easy. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe.